what if I told you that there is a big changes in 1688 Chinese shopping app with a lot of different UI design in your dashboard? Let me show you how. So if you are a user of 1688 Chinese shopping app for a very long time, or you are new to 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to stay tuned to this video from beginning to the end and see some of the new features as far as big changes and updates is concerned on 1688 Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using 1688, pinduoduo, Alipay, or Taobao, or any Chinese e-commerce website or app, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688 or any Chinese e-commerce platform. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about the biggest update on 1688 Chinese shopping app. Let me show you some of the updates and how you can explore the modern dashboard of 1688 Chinese shopping app. So the very first thing you want to do is to open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. Then the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you update your 1688 Chinese shopping app if you have not yet updated the app. And how do you do that? Next thing you need to do is to click on here. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right there, click on this icon. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply, it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down, and then where you see this particular N right here, this is where you get a latest version. Click on that. So when you click on here, it's going to show you to download update. So if you have not yet download update, but as for me, I have already updated to the 11.58 latest version of 1688 Chinese shopping app. The next thing we want to do here is to simply go back and let us explore the new and modern dashboard of 1688 Chinese shopping app. Then from the top right here now, you have your customer support icon. This allows you to contact customer support. And also you have your red envelope right here. This is a reward you get each time you make a purchase as a Plus member on 1688. So I have it at 1.91 yen as my red envelope to be claimed right here. Then right here, you have all the Plus member item that you can purchase at a very discounted price right here. If you click on here now, you will see all the Plus member discounted product that you can purchase. You can see from the heading right here, Plus member. Okay, so allow everything to load up. There you have all the products under the Plus member sections right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different products that belong to this particular category right here. Okay, so continue to scroll down, So this is for Plus member sections right here. So let's simply go back to the home page right here. Then here, you have some of the items that have been purchased by you and this is already due for shipment. If the supplier have not yet shipped the item, you can simply click on here and review the item. So if I click on here now, it will take me to the product that has been purchased and the supplier is yet to be shipped the product. So you are going to see all the number of the products right here. And this is another way by which you can use to alert your supplier to ship out your goods in time. So let's simply go back right here. And then next thing we want to do right here is that under the sections right there, this is your pending order. And then they have changed the icon of the order awaiting for shipment. They have changed the icon of logistics also. And this icon is still maintained. And the icon for a refund is found right here. Now, another great thing that has been changed right here as far as new modern design of 1688 shopping app is concerned is this particular sections right here. Now, they have added a section that allow you to check a recommended product. So here, all these products here are recommended products based on what you are searching for on 1688 Chinese shopping app. The more you scroll down, the more you see a variety of recommended products by the app. Then the next tab right here, if you click on the next tab, it's going to show you. If you click on the next tab, it's going to show you all the supplier you have patronized from so far. So the more you scroll down, the more you see different supplier. And this depends on the number of people on 1688 Chinese shopping app. Then the next tab right here, click on the next tab right here. So under this next tab right here, you see all the products you have been received so far from different supplier on 1688, just like what you see right there. Then move to the next tab right here. So from this next tab right here, this is where you see some of the products you have searched and you have clicked on the link before. This is also known as product search history. The more you scroll down, the more you see different products right there. And from here, you can easily make a purchase for a previous product that you lost the link on 1688. So it's as simple as that. The more you scroll down, the more different products is going to load up. And this is depends on the number of products you have clicked so far on your search or on 1688. The very last tab right here, let's check it out. So from the very last tab right here, this is where you can explore more tools as far as new modern design of 1688 Chinese shopping app is concerned. It's that simple. So basically, this is how you can simply explore new design and update your 1688 Chinese shopping app to meet up with the update and trending of in order to meet up with the app update. And this is also important if you don't want your 1688 app to be restricted or you don't want 1688 app to lock you out of the account. Always keep to update and make sure you familiarize with some of the new things that has been added, some of the new features that has been added into 1688 Chinese shopping app. For more tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app like this, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.